So this is the new game by Notcoin that they just introduced, the Not Pixel. So this is going to be huge. If you miss Notcoin, endeavor not to miss the Not Pixel airdrop. All right. So this is how you're going to be playing the game. Once you open the game, this is how the interface is actually. So the rule is for you to paint right here. So like you can see here, they'll tell you to they'll tell you to zoom, tap and paint, so which is here. So what you have to do is just to zoom it. So you look for a strategic position, like okay, like you can see some spellings of words are here. This is what people have already paint out already, because they are giving you a blank canvas and you are going to paint it till you come up with what they have designed in the canvas. All right, so it is not only you that is doing this, it is all the people in this game that are actually painting it from their own. So you just have few time to spend. So if I click on tap and zoom down, so it's going to open up for me. Like at this point you can see I already have 7 limits to paint. So it means I have 7 limits energy for me to be able to paint, and this is the total pixel I have so far. So what I you have to do for you to proceed is to zoom up, for zoom to the place you want to paint. Okay, let's assume I want to paint this person's head that you already seen that this is a character here, and this is the character's head. So you can see the head has not been painted completely. You still have some colors that are not part of the head. So all you have to do now is to paint off and remove those colors. Like you can see, I have zoomed up to this point where we have these colors here. So what I have to do now will be to paint off this color, since I already have 7 energy here. So I'm going to select the color. Like you can see, the background for the head is black, and we have some hot colors that are not part of the head here. So what I have to do now will be to pick a color from the color palette here. So mine is already on black, and then I'm going to touch this white because I want to lay it off, and then click on paint. So I've laid off that white, and the white is gone. So I'll lay off this is it pink color. So I'll click on paint, and I've laid that off. Remember, as you're painting, your energy is reducing, and your pixel your peaks, which is the airdrop point, is increasing. So that is what you should take note of. So I'm going to lay off this white as well. I'll click on paint. I'll lay off this is it orange. So I'll lay off this brown, click paint. I'll lay off this ash, I'll click paint. I'll lay off this yellow, I'll click paint. All right, so you can see now that my energy is exhausted, so I have to wait for me to gain more energy. So this is the waiting time here, which is that you can see is ticking here. So I have to wait for 8 minutes for the for me to gain another energy. So I can also boost my energy using the uh, booster to regain more energy, and also I can get more energy by shopping energy from the shop, which you're going to pay using star. So if you want to go with that route, so you can see you can buy I think they say you should get 3 paints. You buy 3 paints for 384 star, instantly restore charges for painting. So you buy 3 for 380 star. So if you want to see how much a star is worth, so you can simply click on it, and then you click on purchase here, then you come and see how much star is worth here. So like you can see, for me as a Nigerian, um calculating with my local currency, you can see that 500 stars actually goes for 17,000, almost 18,000 naira. So um that's it. So you'll be able to see it on your own default currency once you click on it. All right, so but that is that for the buying of star. So if you want to go ahead to buy it, it's good, you can go ahead to do that. And then so for me, I'll prefer to wait till the 8 minutes elapse, and then I'll be able to get more pixel points. So you can see that 5 is already, extra 5 is added already. So let me use that. So let me continue how to remove this. So let me zoom it properly so I can point on it very well. Remove this guy, remove this guy, remove this guy, remove this guy. All right, so I'm done, and we go for more energy. So here it's remaining 7 minutes, like you can see as the time is going. So you can also increase your own, like you can see I have already increased my painting limit to level 3. I've bought to level 3, and I've also bought my recharge speed to level 3, and I've also bought my energy limit also to level 3. So if you want to know how this works, so simply click on this place that says how it works, and you'll be able to see all you need to know about the reward for painting and how to maximize your earning in accumulating these peaks points. So remember, the points you get here are the points the not pixel is going to be rewarding you on when they finally list their airdrop. So if you have not already started, click the link in the description of this video. If you are watching from our YouTube channel or anywhere you're watching this video, use the link around where you're seeing this post. Remain blessed.